For this lab, we are going to use the Java random number generator. And here's the Java doc for the random class. It's part of the Java utility packages. One of the methods we are going to use is called nextInt with the parameter called int n. And this function is going to return a pseudo-random number, which is uniformly distributed between 0 and n minus 1. And because the last one, if you look at the term, it says exclusive. So it's going to give a value between 0 and to n minus 1. Very often when we use the random number generator for debugging purposes, we want to make sure the number is repeatable. And for that to happen, we can use the seeded random number generator. And so we give it a seed. In this case, the random numbers are repeatable. So it's easy for us to debug. So we're going to use the for loop. The for loop actually goes from n to the length of the array. And we're going to generate a random number, let's say random position called position, using a random number generator. Next, int n, random array, position, which is n minus 1, the last one, equal original array, position. Now, how do we delete the original array? And then the original array that position will be filled by the original position and minus 1. So in fact, we can loop over to see whether this algorithm is correct or not. The original array, let's say the random number is 4. Let's say we have this is 4. And then our position will be equal 4. And then the original array number 4 is this one. So we're going to assign the number 4 to the random array n position. And then we need to move the last one to the original one. That's our step. Let's call that step 1, step 2, and then we're going to move the last one to the first one. That's our step 3, and this is our step 1, step 2, step 3. Now this is for n equal 10. If n equal 9, when this is situation for n equal 10, n equal 9. Then we need to generate another random number. Right? So the random number will be between 0 and 9 minus 1, that is 0 to 8. From the 0 to 8, that's the range. Let's say this time we pick number 8. Let's say we pick number 8. And the position then will be 8. And 8 will be picked. And then we're going to add to the original position. Oh, we're going to do the, sorry. We're going to add to the random n minus 1 position. And that will be number 8. So pick that to the 8. And then how do we remove the number 8 from this array? And we assign the position, the original position, which is also original array 8, to n minus 1. So basically it goes 8 assigned to that again, so it needs no change. But the next round, because this is the last one, the next round, the n will become 8, and then we go from 0 to 7. So the number 8 then will be removed. So for the next round, if we say n equals 7, this time we are going to generate a random number from 0 to 7. In fact, we have 4 here and 8 here. Those are our random numbers. And then we are going to work from 0 to 7. And if we randomly pick another position, say number 6, we're going to put now in number 7 position. So that means this one will become 6. And then we're going to move 7 to the 6th position. Move 7 here and move that one now. Let's have a look at this algorithm again. So we have an original array, and that was declared first. And then we want to, from the original array, we generate this random array. So we use a random number generator to throw a dice, find out a position. And that position is one of the elements in the original array we're going to pick and put it at the end of the random array. And then we move the n index will move by 1. The last position, which is n minus 1, will be put in the place of that random position. And that's how we remove it from the original array.